Hamburg, a vibrant port city in northern Germany, pulsates with maritime history and modern energy. Known as the gateway to the world, Hamburg boasts more bridges than Venice, Amsterdam, and London combined. This fascinating fact hints at the city's intricate waterways and captivating harbor atmosphere. The bridges connect various parts of the city, creating a unique and picturesque urban landscape. From the bustling harbor filled with boats and ships to the serene waterways that wind through the city, Hamburg's maritime charm is undeniable. From its historic Speicherstadt warehouse district to the sleek Elbphilharmonie concert hall, Hamburg offers a captivating blend of old and new. The Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases the city's rich trading history. Hamburg's rich history as a trading hub has shaped its cosmopolitan character. The old warehouses now house trendy shops, cafes, and international markets, reflecting the city's dynamic evolution. The city embraces diversity and welcomes visitors with open arms. Its multicultural festivals and vibrant street life are a testament to its inclusive spirit. Whether you're fascinated by maritime history, intrigued by cutting-edge architecture, or eager to savor delicious cuisine, Hamburg has something to offer every traveler. The Maritime Museum and the innovative buildings stand as symbols of the city's diverse attractions. Get ready to be charmed by this dynamic city on the Elbe River. With its stunning sunsets and vibrant cityscape, Hamburg promises an unforgettable experience. Hamburg's skyline is punctuated by architectural gems that tell stories of the city's past and present. From historic buildings that have stood the test of time to modern architectural marvels, the cityscape is a visual journey through history. A must-see is the Miniature Wonderland, the world's largest model railway. This attraction is not just for train enthusiasts, it captivates visitors of all ages with its detailed and dynamic displays. This whimsical attraction showcases intricate miniature landscapes, bustling cities, and even a miniature airport with planes that take off and land. Each scene is meticulously crafted, offering a miniature yet lifelike representation of various parts of the world. No visit to Hamburg is complete without experiencing the Elbphilharmonie. This architectural wonder is not just a concert hall but a symbol of the city's cultural renaissance. This stunning concert hall, nicknamed Elfie by locals, rises like a shimmering glass wave above the harbor. Its unique design and acoustics make it a must-visit for music lovers and architecture enthusiasts alike. Take a guided tour or attend a performance for an unforgettable experience. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior, with state-of-the-art facilities and breathtaking views of the city and harbor. For a glimpse into Hamburg's spiritual side, visit St. Michael's Church. Known locally as Michel, this church is a beloved landmark with a rich history. This Baroque masterpiece survived the Great Fire of 1666 and offers panoramic city views from its tower. Climb to the top for a breathtaking perspective of Hamburg's sprawling urban landscape. Immerse yourself in Hamburg's maritime spirit with a delightful harbor tour. Cruise along the Elbe River, passing by historic ships, bustling container terminals, and the city's iconic waterfront warehouses. A visit to the fish market is a beloved Hamburg tradition. Early risers can browse stalls overflowing with fresh seafood, flowers, and unique souvenirs. The lively atmosphere is an experience in itself. Explore the Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historic warehouse district, built on oak log foundations, is a photographer's paradise. Its narrow canals, red brick buildings, and wrought iron bridges create a captivating ambiance. Today, the Speicherstadt houses museums, restaurants, and shops, offering a unique blend of history and modern life. Hamburg's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. Sample local specialties like Franzbraten, sweet pastries often enjoyed for breakfast. These cinnamon-infused treats are best enjoyed with a cup of coffee at a traditional bakery. No trip to Hamburg is complete without trying a Fischbraten, a classic street food. This simple yet delicious sandwich features fresh fish, usually herring or Bismarck herring, served in a crusty bread roll. Find them at street stalls near the harbor or at the fish market. For a hearty meal, head to a traditional restaurant and savor Labskaus, a dish made with corned beef, mashed potatoes, beets, and a fried egg. The best time to visit Hamburg is during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, when the weather is pleasant and crowds are smaller. Summers can be crowded but offer long daylight hours for exploring. Winters, on the other hand, are cold and less ideal for sightseeing, but the city's Christmas markets are a magical experience. Hamburg boasts an efficient public transportation system. The U-Bahn or subway and S-Bahn or commuter rail connect major attractions. Buses and ferries also provide convenient options for getting around. Consider purchasing a Hamburg card for free or discounted travel on public transport, and admission to museums and attractions. It's a great way to save money while exploring the city. Hamburg is a very walkable city, especially within the central districts. Many of the main sites are within walking distance of each other. Comfortable shoes are recommended for exploring the cobblestone streets and waterfront promenades. Don't forget to take a stroll along the Elbe River. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and maritime charm, Hamburg promises an unforgettable travel experience. Plan your adventure today and discover all that this incredible city has to offer.